All right, so we have another Ford Power Stroke in the shop, and we're doing a couple things here. The turbo's coming out, we're fixing some oil leaks, and changing a couple of gaskets. But this small piece right here, what I want to show you is an exhaust pipe that goes from the EGR system to the intake. Basically comes down over here, and it bolts up to the EGR port on the other side. This sensor right here is actually a temperature sensor, so there's a little needle in there with a temperature probe. That's what's going to send your computer the data off the sensor. And then another thing that is very common on these trucks is this joint right here. It's a flex joint. And you can actually see, if you look close, if I move the two ends of this thing, you can actually see it flex. Basically, when the engine torques, when it twists, when you put that stress on the motor, it's going to twist the exhaust as well. So rather than break a hard connection, they have this flex joint in there, and that'll prevent that. But these still do create leaks. The braided lines that are in here, the braided fibers, will actually separate and will crack. It's important that if you do have leaks, you can smoke test the exhaust system, find them exactly where they're coming from. But this is a common failure at this flex joint. So if you're doing this type of work, check those joints and do it right the first time.